Testing, testing. Microphone works. Oops. Hold on. Channel. Just update titles. No! We don't want that. Whoopsies. Okay. I don't remember how to stream. Oh, God. I haven't coded for 3 months. No, just kidding. 1 month. I haven't coded for 1 month. I haven't streamed for 1 month. Bedtime Bear, how are you? I live. I'm alive. Okay. Oh, wait. I'm not even on. Okay. I don't even remember who was last time. Nobody knew I was going to start streaming today. I didn't make an announcement or anything. I was just like, let's do this. Okay. But I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I mean, when do I ever know what I'm doing? But I feel like I know. Oh my God. I feel like less so than usual. Ah, Adam, welcome back. Welcome back. How are you? How is everyone? I'm tired. I'm tired and I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Submission, assignment. Oh, I guess I was supposed to create a folder. If you like a full over. I know, I'm actually counting down the minutes until Baby Bunny wakes up and ruins this. I have to finish my homework by Tuesday. And I have to admit, I have been slightly lagging this past week emotionally as a parent. Actually, wait, Adam, I have a question for you. Do you have a boy or do you have a son or a daughter? I can't remember. But do you have a son or a daughter? And you don't have to answer if you don't want to. Okay, so let's read through this. Daughter, okay. So I'm just curious because me and my husband had this discussion and I recently saw on social media. As a father, how do you feel like, granted, if it was just you and your daughter in public and you had to bring her to the bathroom, totally different. But how do you feel about bringing your daughter to the men's public restroom, especially if your wife is around? Or, I'm sorry, that's very assuming of me. Especially if your partner is of the opposite gender. Um, how do you feel about that? If they don't have a family bathroom? I know, random, right? But to me, I don't want to expose my daughter to the urinals and stuff don't bother me, but it's the fact that it's a shared space and there's no privacy that bothers me. As a mother, I would not want my daughter in a men's bathroom. I don't care if she's with her dad. Like, for me, it's just. And I get it. Sometimes dad is out with daughter and there's no mom. But, like, I don't know. If mom is there, if I am there, I feel like, yeah. Yeah. So when she was a small baby, no problem. But once my daughter became more aware, I'm just like, I don't really feel comfortable. Like, as a mom, exposing her to the unfiltered. I'm trying to be, because I'm streaming right now, I'm trying to be proper. um, okay. Anyways. I don't remember how to do this. Okay, so we are going to. Perfect. They told me what I can. But yeah, like, I don't know. As a mom, and I've seen. Yeah, I don't know. Like, I love the fact that there's so many places that have um um family restrooms now. But another thing that's really frustrating as well is that um a lot of the family bathrooms are being used by people who are not family, and people leave the family bathrooms in a disgusting mess. Like, ugh. One thing I do miss about Asia. So, oh my gosh. So Tokyo Disneyland, they have baby, like, toddler potty seats to put on the potty. So baby bunny is little, right? She's very petite, especially for her age, and most toilets are too big. And yes, am I talking about toilets right now? Yes, I am. Most toilets are too big for her, and she would slide in. But Disneyland in Japan, they provided, like, it's hanging on the walls. It was so convenient that I didn't have to carry around one of those foldable seats, because guess what? Those things take up a lot of room in a backpack, and I would rather not carry that around. But yeah, so that was really nice. Anyways, I should probably get, like, focused on this. Again, this is due Tuesday. I have been kind of slacking. And how is everyone? Please, I haven't talked to you guys in like a month, and I have missed streaming. I have missed coding. I should probably yeah, I should probably get focused on my homework. Yeah, and another thing, they have, instead of like the paper things. I don't know if men's bathrooms have this, okay? But they have dispensers for sanitizing, like, liquid, alcohol or cleaner or something, to clean the toilet seats before you use it. So much better than, anyways, yeah. Oh, okay, fair enough, fair enough. I know I'm gonna blink and my baby is going to be 19 or in college. Like, I don't want to age myself, but I think most of you guys already have a good idea of around what age I am. But one of my really good friends, childhood friends, her daughter is in college now. And then, oh my gosh, one of my students, for some reason, so old students, right? She's not my student anymore because I'm not teaching anymore. But oh my gosh, like some reason, and I knew she's driving now, like she's been driving for a while. She's been driving herself to the rink. And she's a senior this year. I don't understand how I didn't like it didn't connect, but she's a senior this year. And I'm just like, what? What? I started with her when she was my daughter's age. I started with her when she was my daughter's age. Like that's crazy to me. I watched her grow up. Ah, I miss coaching. Okay. Let's get on this though. I'm gonna hit a focus mode and hopefully get some stuff done. Did that work? Okay, yes, it did work. And I don't know what's going on. Hi, sending. Hope you're doing well. Okay, now focus for real. So warm up for warm up exercises, commit the file, open a pull request. Okay, no, it's very helpful if you're, okay. Put all warm up exercises in a single pandas. Am I copying and pasting this? Yes. I don't want this. Okay, so did I do that wrong? Pandas. Import pandas as PD. Why? Mm-hmm. Is it because I don't have pip install? Okay, hold on. I think I have to pip install pandas, right? Pip install. Oh. Just kidding. Pip uninstall pandas. Okay. Yes. Python m then dot them. Did I actually do that right? Oh my god, I did it right. I remembered how to do a virtual environment. Okay, and then now we're gonna do pip install this. There we go. Did my focus mode just start over? No. Okay. Okay. Python. Install. Upgrade. Where's my water bottle? Oh, it's right behind me. Okay. 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 We're getting somewhere. How many questions are there? 7. Oh my gosh. Dang it. NumPy, therefore. 1, 2, 3. How many questions are there for them? One, two. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hey. So we are going to have warm-up exercises, and then we also have descriptive stats review. Oh my gosh. I don't think I'm going to finish this tonight. 1, 2. 4, 5. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 correlation, right? Correlation review. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so then pipelines. Okay, wait, hold on. Where do I put the prefect warm-up? Part 1, warm-up exercises. MATLAB. Pipelines. Okay, hold on. Let's do this really quick. 3, 1, 2. Okay. Oh, okay. This answer should go in. Okay, so this goes in here. Okay, I can read. Okay. Oh my gosh. Probably should have like made more of an announcement that I was going to be streaming again, but hey, you know what? It's okay. It's okay, guys. uh okay. So let's do this as quickly as we can, and then hopefully I can start on the project tonight because I'm a little bit stressed. Yeah, I'm a little bit stressed. Create the following data frame, then print the first 3 rows. Okay, so doing the silent stream drop is the way to go. Oh, thanks, sending. Okay, so really quick though. One, another thing is I should be working on my resume. Airbnb's apprenticeship opens tomorrow. I haven't worked on any short answers. I have a resume that I need to look at from Turing. And yeah. Yeah. Indent these bullet points. Okay, sorry, distracted. Okay, like, yes, bedtime bear, but I only have so many hours in a day, and I have, oh my gosh, it's been, so the past week, Baby Bunny hasn't been sleeping before like 10 p.m., so that's been fun. And she's up at like 7 a.m. and she just keeps going, does not nap, and she just keeps on going until 10 p.m. at night. And I don't know what to do, and I'm losing my mind. And also, I think it was just staying too long with other people and just not having a schedule, and like my whole entire brain is frazzled and I am all over the place right now. I already know, but it's like somebody said that the first, like, he was one of the first people to apply to the Airbnb um apprenticeships, and that's why he got an invite to take the OA. Like, he feels like it was all the people who applied like within the first like couple of hours, and I'm just like, I know that's not gonna be me. I know that's not gonna be me. No. Wait, okay, wait, sending. Did you, and bedtime bear? Yes, I am going to send it to you. And sending, did you get hand, foot, mouth disease? Because Hubs got it, and oh my gosh, he said it was so painful. So Baby Bunny got it, right? So technically she got strep first, and then we think, so she tested positive for strep, right? Or I think she did. Yeah, she tested positive for strep, and then like 2 days later she had other dots appear, right? And then Hubs got sick and he got taken out for like 3 days. It was so bad. And granted, whenever he gets sick, it seems like it really takes him out. But like for me, I'm just like, all knock on wood, all of the times that Baby Bunny has gotten sick, like I have been unscathed, luckily. Okay, hold on. Let me look up Airbnb. Anyways, what was I gonna say? Oh, so I applied to Pinterest's air apprenticeship again, and I haven't gotten a rejection yet. And rejections have already started going out this whole past week. So I don't know if that's a good thing or they just blacklisted me and I'm just not going to hear back from them at all. Okay. Okay. So I think I can remember how to do this. So this is create the following. The shape and the... What's the shape? Huh? What is the shape? Oh. That shape. Okay. Okay, so we are going to... Okay, so... First 3 rows. Okay, why is VS Code auto filling this in for me? Wait, I don't need it to auto fill in. Hi, Young. Welcome in. How are you? Welcome. And sending. I'm so glad you didn't get sick. And bedtime bears. I will text you on Discord probably. Also, anybody know anybody that works at Airbnb that wants to give me a referral? I think Turing said something, but I'm not sure if that was for sure. But yeah, anybody know anybody at Airbnb that wants to give me a referral? Okay, so print the first, although I have heard Airbnb is a lot of long hours. That the balance of work and life is not necessarily the best for someone with family. I don't know. That's what I heard. Like, I haven't heard that it's a bad place to work. I have just heard that it may not be the best for someone who has a family. What do you mean sending? I'm honestly like a little bit frustrated because I feel like people have glamorized tech and coding so much that there's so many people who still like, yes, there are a bunch of tech layoffs, but there's still a bunch of people who just like want to get into tech just for the quote unquote glamour of it. Okay, but no, seriously. I don't know how I feel about the fact that this is auto-filling in for me. How do I turn that off? Click the Copilot icon in the bottom right corner. I don't think I have Copilot, do I? What is the spawn? Oh! Disable completions. Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on. How do I... Click. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wait, can you guys see that? When did VS Code get this? When did VS Code get this? In the bottom left-hand corner, there's a bunny and a cat. Okay. Anyways. Or let's do change directory assignment 1. Okay, and then we're going to do Python warm up. Oh, 5x4 is the dimensions. Got it. Okay. Okay, so okay. I think I can do this. I think I can do this, guys. I'm good. I'm good. But yeah, did anybody do anything fun the past month that I've been gone? Okay. Filter the rows to show this is passing students data frame equals data frame dot data frame data frame grade is greater than 80. Print passing students data frame. Did I do it? Oh my god, I did. I remembered. Okay, right? Hold on. Using filter the rows and who passed and have a grade above 80. True. Oh. And passed equals true. And data frame passed equals true. Just kidding. How do I do an and? And I knew that. I knew that. And there we go. Okay. So I am remembering a lot of this. This is good. This is good. Okay. Add a new column that adds 5 points to each student's grade. Print the updated columns. Okay, so data frame, grade, served equals data frame, grade plus 5. I should be able to, no, this should work. Data frame. I feel like this isn't correct, but print data frame. Bye, Adam. I'm glad that you were able to catch a little bit of the stream. Have a good night and thank you, thank you. Bye. Hi, Laser. Bye, Laser. Thanks for the resub. I appreciate it. Told you I would go live. Okay. Pandas. Okay. Okay, so we are going to do data frame, name upper equals so equals data frame name dot string dot upper, right? In uppercase. Print data frame name upper. Just kidding. Let's do print. Oh no, she's awake. Let's see if she goes back to sleep. Let's see, let's see. Oh, double, double, double. metrics. I know, I know. Okay, wait, guys. Baby Bunny's awake. Did that work? No, it's not muted. Why is my what? Where is it? My okay. Anyways. Okay. Hi guys. Um so she went down pretty easy. Thankfully. um what was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say, guys. Yeah, I forgot what I was gonna say. Not the Microsoft. Hmm. Oh my gosh, yes. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. Especially because, like, I don't want to sign into OneDrive and all of that. Like, it's really, I was going to say something, and I don't remember what it is. I really don't, and oh my goodness, so bad. Okay. Uh, okay, so it would be city me equals data frame dot group by city, and then we would do grade dot meaning, right? It's city meaning. I feel like OneDrive is just it drives me nuts, guys. Drives me nuts. Even when it first came out, drives me nuts. Oh, my baby, he's awake. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, 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 stop, stop. Turn off so I can go. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. I'll be right back. Okay. Hi. Guys, hi. Honestly, I don't know how long she's gonna stay like this. So we're gonna try. We're gonna try. Okay. My camera also went funky. Okay. Just kidding. Computer engage whisper mode. She shouldn't be able to hear me. Thankfully, she shouldn't be able to hear me. It's just, again, yeah, it's just, I think us staying in hotels and then also us staying with the in-laws, I didn't really have a space outside that I felt comfortable. So I spent most of the nights in, and again, she hasn't been sleeping until 11 p.m. Um, but I think part of it is I was constantly there. So I think all of that independence that we kind of worked on with her going to school twice a week and things like that, I think kind of took a step back because, again, I was there 24/7. I'm tired. I'm burned out, guys. I'm so burned out. Like, I was very close to doing something very drastic again, except, guys, I don't want to cut my hair like in an impulse. I do want to cut my hair. I'm thinking if I do like a stream, I might do some sort of I want to dye my hair blonde again. I did used to have blonde hair, like blonde hair. Like blonde hair. Let me see. I don't even know. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see. Um, I also went pink haired immediately after my wedding. Oh, there we go. Open image tab. Okay. So I am the blonde one right here. That's me. Hold on. Yeah. So I'm the blonde one. Yeah. I miss my blonde hair. There we go. Yeah. Why do you respond? I think part of it is, yeah, I clean up good, right? I think part of it is like it's been a thing since I was younger. Like I have this impulse to, I don't know if I can actually say this on stream. So this is not me threatening, okay? This is not me threatening. This is just me talking about how I was in the past. I have this urge to not be so nice to myself. And cutting my hair is one of the least damaging and permanent things that I can do on an impulse. Like, yeah. But guys, I looked good with blonde hair, right? I looked good with blonde hair. Right, guys? Right? I miss it. I miss my blonde hair. Hold on. Let me see if I can't find another one. Wow, I do not use Facebook at all anymore. See. Apparently not. Let me see. I should have more blonde hair. Let's see. My purple hair, my blue hair, and my pink hair. No. Apparently I do not have very many pictures of me blonde. Okay then. My photos. Oops. Wow. Okay, well apparently I don't have I haven't actually had blue contacts in a while. So the contacts I'm in right now are actually pretty dark. Sometimes I have like light gray ones, but most of the time I have the most of the time I have dark here. Actually, no, the other one was a better picture. Okay, but no, seriously, I miss blonde hair. Let me see if I can't find the picture. Let's see. Let me see if I can't find. Oh, I know what I can do. Instagram. Let's go to archive, stories. Okay. Oops. Hold on. What just happened? Okay, so can you guys see this? No, just kidding. Can't see that. Okay. Okay, whatever. I'll find it later. I have to get as much of this done as I can right now. But I have a haircut that I want to get or that I want to do. and I'm going to do it on stream. Oh, thanks, Mark. I appreciate it. I appreciate it so much. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah. So I want to cut my hair on stream, and I'm thinking I might do like some sort of goal to get the ice rink as well. And then if we hit that goal, I'll do another haircut stream. Otherwise, I'm just going to cut my hair off stream. But yeah. And then I just realized my skin is not oily right now. Okay, it's not oily. I've been using stuff because I noticed how bad my skin has gotten and I haven't been taking care of it. So this year, my whole goal was like to take better care of myself and everything like that. So I put like a bunch of serums and stuff on it. So I promise my skin's not oily. It's just shiny right now. Okay. But Mark, thank you so much for the resub. I appreciate it. How are things? How are things for you? I feel like either you've been not posting your travels as much or you haven't been traveling. Let's see. So sort data frame by or replace. Okay. And then ooh, where in Europe are you going? Okay. So if I remember correctly, it is data frame city equals data frame city replace replace Austin comma Houston, then print data frame name city. Okay. Then oh, I'm very jealous. I want to go back to the Netherlands. Like I was talking to Hubs about it. So I want to go back to Japan, but I also want to go to Netherlands. Would love to go to London. Would love to go to London. Or just UK in general. Have you been to London before? Have you been to the UK before? If not, you have to do tea there and get the scones and clotted creams. Clotted cream is so good. And the stuff in the US is not the same. Whatever the canned stuff that they use that they say is clotted cream is not the same. Like, seriously. when you go to the UK, make sure you get clotted cream. An absolute must. Okay. I think I should be able to get through a good amount. The tea in France, in Italy was, well, aren't they known for coffee? Aren't they known for coffee? And if you want tea, go to Asia. Asia. Yeah, because you've been to mostly Europe, but you haven't been to Asia, if I remember your travels. Like you've been all across the US and Europe. No, seriously, you should go visit Asia. Oh, wait, actually, hold on. Mark, if you like tea, I just did a tea tasting today. And if you like learning about tea, I'll Chicha-san. They have one across the bridge. They have one. They have a couple. They have a couple in the Bay Area. Chicha-san, look it up. They have free tea tasting, and you get to learn all about it. Yeah. So, um, it's by. I'm like trying not to like dox. I mean, everyone knows that I'm in the Bay Area, but in it's in Berkeley. Yeah, I'll DM you. I'll DM you. Sort data frame by grading. Yeah, I'll send it to you. It should be close to college. So we are going to do data frame or data frame sorted equals data frame sort values, and then we're going to do by grade, and we're going to do, it should be ascending false, or is it descending? Is it ascending? Okay. Ascending equals false because we want it descending. And then we're going to print data frame sorted dot head 3. But yeah, if granted, okay, granted, I personally don't think English tea is necessarily that great. Like, I like English breakfast, I like Earl Grey, but give me good Asian tea any other day of the week. Like, I would much rather have Asian tea. However, the scones. Like, I'm not talking about the tea itself, I'm talking about the scones. And yeah, like that's what excites me. Okay. Awesome. Yay. Okay, well, were they run by Asians? Like I have to, were they run by actual, okay, so I don't know if you know this, but most most of the Japanese restaurants are actually run by Koreans. Okay, also also they could have been judging you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They might have been preemptively judging you because they do have good tea in tea bags in Asia. They do use tea bags. Okay. Not as common, but they do. Yeah, so like as bad as it is, I heard in France that's like one of when I went to Paris, so I studied abroad, right? I studied abroad in the UK, and honestly, thinking back to it, I really wish I had studied abroad in Asia. And I honestly wish I had gone to teach in Asia when I was younger and given the chance. Like I I was very sheltered and had so much anxiety. And honestly, like I held myself back from doing a lot, and I have a lot of regrets now, and I am determined not to regret. Um, but yeah, like I just remember in France, everywhere I went, like everyone kept saying, like greeting me, like "Konnichiwa, konnichiwa," and I was just like, "Oh, huh? Oh, she's awake again. Oh, she's awake again." Okay, okay, I'll look at it. Actually, let me send you the Yelp right now while I remember. So this is a really famous place in Asia. Um, but you can sign up for free tea tastings there. That looks like a French tea bag. Interesting. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Anyways, I sent you on Instagram the tea place to try out. Ending. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Focusing. Bye. Thanks, sending. Okay. NumPy. Create a 1D NumPy array. Equal NumPy dot array. Actually, you know what? No, 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 no. Okay. It's shape, data type. Okay, so then we are going to do so this would be print array dot shape. Print E-type, I think. Okay. Just kidding. Does not have that. Got it. Okay. Oh, okay. So this would be written. Okay. Then yeah, but you can do you can actually sign up for tea tastings. I think your location should have it. And if not, the locations across the bridge do. Hi, K-Boom. Welcome in. How are you? And create the following to the array. Okay, so we are going to do okay, and then we're going to print shape of array. We're also going to print size. And so this is going to be print array. Let me actually array. Whoopsies. To array. Go. Okay, so we're gonna do array 2D dot, or sorry, mp dot shape array 2D, and print array dot size. All right. Yes. Trying to get through the homework before my baby wakes up. Again, because she's already woken up once. Or, well, she's woken up twice, but she had a big crying fit once. But yeah, trying to finish my homework. It's due on Tuesday, and yeah. So 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 by 3. Perfect. Uh, perfect, perfect. Okay. I don't understand how I'm supposed to write questions or like comments for this. Yeah, I don't know how I'm supposed to write comments for these because these are all like very one um they're very straightforward. Using the 2D array from question 2, slice out the top left 2x2 block and print it. I don't actually remember slicing arrays. Oh, slice. It's just like a string or a list. Okay, I know how to do this. Okay, so we want to um equals array. And then we want top left 2x2 blocks. So 1, 2, 1. So we want the first 2, so 0, 1, 0, 1. Right, so this would be start, stop. Right, and then we would print slice. One, two. Okay, just kidding. So 1 is included, or the last step is included, right? Oh, no, no. Okay, hold on. What did I do? One. Oh, wait, slicing. Oh. Matrix. First 2 rows and last 2 columns. So first 2 columns. Okay, got it. So this would be 2, 2. One, 2, 4, 5. Okay. Create a 3x4 array using of zeros using a built-in command. Oh, am I still in focus mode? I yeah. Whoops. Okay, so I need to um Okay, so we're going to do array 0 equals np dot zeros 3 by 4. And then we're also gonna do array 1 equals np dot ones 2 by 5. And we're gonna print array 0, and we're gonna print array 1. You just learned about slicing an array by like because of this or because you have learned it recently and I just coincidentally am doing it as well. Did I hold on? Oh, whoops, two parentheses. Two parentheses. 5. 2 by 5. 3 rows, 4 columns. We just started. So this is just a review. Luckily, because I'm very, very behind. As you guys know, last time I was like doing two assignments a week and I was super ahead. Like this time I barely started and this assignment is due on Tuesday. But I think it's going pretty well. I'm excited about this curriculum this time. So we're going to be learning machine learning. Let me get the schedule. Yeah, so we are going to be doing machine learning, computer vision. We're going to be learning about LLMs, and I think we're going to be writing our own LLMs, and we're also going to be learning about cloud. So I'm actually really, really excited. So I feel like this is really good for where software engineering is going for the future, but it's also because data engineering is going to be, I think, one of the more in-demand skills that it's something that is going to be very, very useful. And so if you have any advice, hi Long, welcome in. You stumbled on my YouTube channel and you found me on Twitch too. that's pretty crazy. Thank you for stopping in and oh my gosh, and Han gave me a hydrate. So thank you for that. I will hydrate now. Sorry I missed that. But honestly, just start building. Start building. And question, why do you want to learn to program? I'm curious. Like, I'm curious as to why. I think I had been asking, like, oh, what's everyone's background? But I am actually very curious. Why did you guys go into programming? Ah, okay. Yeah, so it's very similar to slicing, and it doesn't need a dot. It's not array dot. not parentheses. Oh my gosh, brackets. And it felt like doing magic. Oh, I really wish that like somebody had, because I did JavaScript for like, I don't want to age myself, but I'm gonna age myself for MySpace. And like, I and I don't mean just like changing the color of the background, but I mean like I blocked out the entire thing. I did tables and like I did a lot of changing things around, right? I wish somebody had explained to me that that was what programming was, at least front end, you know, like or UI, UX. I didn't know that that was what it was. It makes money. Well, Lung, I am going to be very honest with you. So I have been learning for okay, granted, I did have a baby and I've been raising her. So my programming journey has been slightly less linear. But oh my gosh, GeoCities. Oh my gosh, and yeah, oh my gosh, Yahoo chat rooms. Anyways, yeah, what Sending said. So my journey has not been linear. Okay, I programmed the whole freaking baby, and I am still pushing updates constantly, constantly. But with where tech is going, don't necessarily expect the exorbitant salaries that people have glamorized on social media. Hi, Turing. Uh, so I believe that kinda going okay. Trying to get this done. As quickly as I can. Honestly though, I do love coding. I do really love coding. That's why I'm still doing it. I didn't go into coding for the money. And it the salaries are still gonna be good. You know, the salaries compared to if you were a actually no, accountants make pretty good money too. So do pharmacists, so do nurses. It's gonna make you money if you can find a job. But you're competing with a lot of people right now. Samir, you have good news? Oh my gosh. Please share, please share. Congratulations! Oh my gosh. I'm so happy for you. Congratulations. In okay, if I remember correctly, are you still located in India or were you trying to get a visa for the US? I cannot remember. It has been like a month and a half since I last streamed. And there's a lot that has happened. Congratulations! A lot has happened. Oh, guys, I don't know who saw on my Instagram stories, but you know the first day of our travels? We ended up in an emergency or not orthopedics. Or pediatric no, not podiatrist. Any orthopedics. Orthopedics, right? Bone doctor. Bone doctor. That's amazing, Samir. Congratulations. So happy for you. So happy for you. So not everyone is a math genius. I should pursue a data scientist career in you're going to be moving to the States soon, or oh, well, I'm glad I can be an inspiration. I don't know why. To be honest, I like completely honest, I don't know why people find me inspirational, but I am glad that I can inspire some of you. Um, but I'm very happy for you. That's amazing. That's huge. So congratulations. Yeah, congratulations. I'm just going to keep on going and hopefully I will land that job. A lot of people are trying to become data scientists. I don't think I have the brain for a data scientist. Like, I think I can do it, but will I enjoy it long term? Absolutely not. Data engineering, on the other hand, yes. And I get it. There is data science and data analysts within the data engineering title job and everything, but there's other stuff to do too. It's not just plotting graphs and reading the stuff. It's cleaning the data. I like cleaning the data. Live that that I just love coding or that you just love coding. Well, I'm so happy for you. That's amazing. That's amazing. Send those good luck vibes my way. Just kidding, just kidding. Keep them. Um this will be a boy. Oh no, it's okay. It's okay. If you would like, you can support me by donating to getting me towards the ice rink so that I can do ice skating streams and get back in shape. So I am not scared of formulas. It's more just like, I guess, okay, sorry. I guess data analysts is what I could not do long term. Just looking at the graphs and doing hypothesis and like reading the graphs about the trends and writing the reports and everything like that, I could not do that long term. That is not for me. I want to clean the data. I want to code. I want to, yeah. But yeah, this will be a 1D. So I think this will be a 1D array. Um, we know the steps will increment by 5. Starting at 0. Okay, so then we are going to print array a range. Okay, we're going to also print array shape. Then we're going to print array dot mean. Print array dot sum. And the standard deviation I know is how to it's the function. Okay. So then we're going to print np dot and then I feel like this might be wrong. Let's define mean of array. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we want np dot mean array. And then this is np dot sum. Should be okay. Hi, Lord. Data engineer is better for. Yeah, that's why, like, when I learned, so I didn't know what a data engineer was before this whole thing, this whole quote unquote boot camp. And the more I learned about it, the more I am excited for it. And like, I was excited for backend too, and I still am. I still really love backend logic and everything like that, but I also know the whole thing with AI is going to replace everything and blah 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 blah. Well, AI cannot replace all the data engineering jobs because the models need data engineers to clean the data to make sure that the stuff that they're being trained on is good. So yeah, anyways, I have not Kaboom. Yet. Wait, yet what? I went on a mini rant and I don't remember what the yet means. What? And also, thanks so much for the follow Ice Customs graphics. I totally missed that. I appreciate it. I mean, isn't that what Scale AI? Isn't that what we learned that Scale AI was doing? Okay. I mean, honestly, think about how everyone is getting all of their information now from social media and whatnot. Like, we are training ourselves to, yeah, it's. I agree, Knox. But I I think it's I think it's still one of the more I can't think of the correct word. So I'm going to use stable even though I don't believe that that is the correct word, but right now it conveys the best meaning for what is going through my head. I think compared to like a front end dev, a back end developer, a user interface designer, I think data engineer, and I get it, user interface is not necessarily some code, but I think as a data engineer, that's going to be one of the last things that are going to evolve with AI. Just because, yeah, it's until AI is further along, I think that there's still going to be a need for a good amount of good data engineers to continue to clean and validate the data to make sure that it is good. Otherwise, if one, you have either bad data or else a bad data engineer, the information being passed to the data scientists, the data analysts, the large language models, they will not be able to progress further because with the bad data, they're going to hit a wall eventually with being able to write back-end code and provide correct information. I want more data engineers, let's say this. I know. All of the apprenticeships that I've been looking at are changing as well. Like I reached out to a hiring manager for one of the companies with the apprenticeships, and he mentioned that like they met as a team, the apprenticeship team, to talk about what they were expecting with AI. Like it's kind of crazy to me how, like, I get it, AI has been around for the past, like, I don't know how long, but like it's kind of crazy to me the past 2 years how much things have really changed. Yeah, it's crazy to me. It's crazy to me. Okay, generate an array of 200 random values drawn from a normal distribution. Oh, it's so dystopian. It's so dystopian. It's crazy. Okay. To generate an array of random numbers, also known as standard normal distribution, is using NumPy. Create a generator. Okay, so any mean and standard deviation. 0 and 1. Okay. Then we want a size equals 200. If don't specify off or scale, okay, and then we're going to do print dot mean array random. I'm gonna do print np dot s dot array random. Hi, Cram. Welcome in. Okay. AI. Every company is shrinking. For example, companies hire. Yeah, Kaboom. It's very interesting. It's very interesting to me, and it's kind of like I just want to know like how these companies think that these people we're going to pay for their products and services if if 50% of the not world, nation, country, well, if 50% of the working population is out of job, how are we going to pay for these services like with Uber Eats or like Netflix or any of these additional things, right? If people need to tighten their belts, the first thing that's going to go is going to be the delivery services. Like, we don't need to pay extra for that. We will cook at home or we will go pick it up ourselves. The streaming services, like, why would we pay extra for that when we're not necessarily going to be using it all the time? You know, it's interesting. Oh, baby is awake again. But not trending in the great direction, right? Oh, that's awesome, Krim. Welcome in. Okay, so I asked this earlier to somebody else. Why do you want to learn how to program? It's called the AI dot. At some point, it's set when sovereign AI is the only business in town. Oh, wait. Okay, I don't know if this is false news or anything like that, but I saw that a very well-known person in the AI industry is being sued by his sibling for misconduct. Again, I don't know what I can say on stream and what I can't say on stream. So, you can't hear me? Oh, but yeah, like, did you guys hear about that? Is that actually happening, or is that just, again, news that people are posting that is not actually verified? It's a very famous person. Oh, I'm asking I was asking why you want to learn to code, just out of curiosity. Um, like what's your driving force to learn how to code? And then I was asking everyone else, um, and also you can answer as well if you like. Um, I mean, I'm going to say that this is correct because this should round up and this should, yeah, okay. And then I was also talking about I wasn't sure if this is unverified news because I saw it in passing and I didn't do any research yet. However, I did see that supposedly a very well-known um, name in the AI world is being sued by um, his sibling for some misconduct. Again, don't know what I can say without being warned. um on myself, it's pretty deep. I chose, but maybe career. I have some HTML. Very cool, Creme. So what do you, if you don't mind me asking, like, what do you do for work? Wait, personal development goal from work that you chose. So, like, your work is asking you to do this, or I guess I'm a little bit confused and my brain is not processing very quickly. But yeah, on this roller coaster is reaching. I know. I feel like a big driving force is I have these very big expectations of myself as well. Uh, let's see. Okay, yeah. I think this is about right. 14361. Okay, yeah. Okay. Works for me. Plot the following data as a line plot. Okay. We are going to import match plot lib. If I remember correctly. Okay. I mean, programming is hard, but I think it's also how you approach it as well. So when I first started, I did CS50, right? And sorry, I'm trying to get to my GitHub to look at something. Why am I not signed in? Oh my god, why am I not signed in? Um, but I think it's also difficult to, for me, when I was first learning, it was very difficult for me to look at other code and understand what was going on. So with CS50, I remember the first like 2 lessons, I was like, I don't know what I'm doing and I don't understand this and help. That's plot. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to do pip install that plot. Right? 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 No, I don't need. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So coding is, I think, hard to not install, understand, but the more you do it, the more I think it gets easier to read. But yeah, like at first, it requires you to think not a certain way, but like approach. Well, yeah, no, it requires you to think a certain way, not like problem solve a certain way, but be able to break down. Oh my gosh, she's whimpering. I think she's awake still. Oh my gosh, she's still awake. Her eyes are open. You're new to the tech field? Think algorithmically. Yes, that. So there are efficient ways of solving problems, but there are ways that you can solve the problem, again, inefficiently. However, you have to be able to, like, break it down. Modularize, yes. Exactly. Sorry, I'm talking to somebody on YouTube, so they can't see your chat. But basically, somebody said Turing said think algorithmically, and then Han Sohai said modularize problems. Yeah, so it doesn't I think it is hard to a certain degree. But I also think that once you can understand how you think, learning different languages is just really learning the syntax. And of course, there are some caveats of every single language, but you won't necessarily be fluent in the other language, but you will at least be conversationally adept. Does that work? Does nothing. We deal with issues before it gets there. I want to learn coding for the. And then. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay. Thought the following. I don't remember how to do. Okay. How to make a line. I don't remember how to do this. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I have my data. Okay. Which would be plot x y. Okay. So we are going to do plot.title equals square. Don't know what I'm doing. Apparently I can't type. plot dot x label is x and plot dot y label y. And then the what? So plot touch. Oh, not what I wanted to do. There we go. There we go. Hooray. Okay. I'm also getting bored in your role. But I want to get at least first levels. What is PCEP? PCAP. Do these certifications actually mean anything? Out of curiosity, because like I got a Coursera certification and I don't think it actually does anything. Yeah, I just looked it up. Certsman. Hi, Chrono. We're doing okay. How? Oh, actually, we were talking about data science earlier. How is that going? And have you found a new job? Because I know that you were talking about that last time we talked, which was a while ago. Is industry not sure about PC? I heard there's a shortage of cybersecurity. But does cybersecurity actually have a whole bunch of coding? Don't worry, I'm not pivoting. I'm just curious. At a few places, how much life stuff I want to trade off with the new role. Fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah, that's. I think expectations for employees are going to drastically change. Drastically change. Okay. So we are going to do so we're going to do creating the plot. So we're going to do plot.bar, and then we're going to do and we're going to adding titles. Plot.title is object scores. Okay, and then we're going to do plot x label. Oops. Label is, it should be subjects, right? Oh, my baby is still okay. Dot y. I think I'm gonna I think I'm going to have to go soon. show. Lots of show. Actually, let's. Okay, so we're gonna do D, 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 D. That's line. Bars, X, and height. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? Subjects and then scores. How do I clear? Okay. I'm not that smart. Okay, well, wait. Wait. Where you want to focus. Smart guy like you, have nothing to worry about. To prove myself I can do it. My goal is a lot of friends who are only talking about burnout. I need to go. Yeah, so my friend works at Oracle, and I know that they just laid off a bunch of people. However, I'm also like, I should go look at their stuff. Their job listings. Okay, so we are going to do. How do I do this again? We are going to do figure. Figure 1. Right? No. I don't remember how to do this. Oh, plot figure. Okay. Plot dot figure. There we go. Yay. What just happened? Why is my terminal all screwy? Uh, Build terminal. Okay. Change directory. Okay. I see one. How do I move to the next one? Figure one. No. Oh, it's because, okay, got it. Okay. Sorry, guys. Sorry, God. Oh, there it goes. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay, guys. Got it. Got it. Okay. Anyways. Burnout. Not necessarily. Hey, I'm burned out. I'm burned out from being like parent burnout. For example, I'm still doing photo screens and it is more limited, but it's him. Hire me, sending. Hire me. Just kidding. I know. Honestly, after bombing my mock interview with my friend, I haven't had the confidence to apply to Amazon again. Okay, but I hear my daughter whimpering and it is breaking my heart right now. So I'm probably going to okay, let me read through. I think I can do these pretty quickly. But let me read through the for data engineers, inspect the data that describes. This is pre-processing. Project. Your pipeline should be structured. Load multiple years of data. Okay, this looks like it might take a while. Right. 4-7. Okay. Okay, I have 2 more days to do this. I have 2 more days. Okay, anyways, guys, my baby is crying and I don't want to leave her stressing. So thanks so much, guys, for hanging out. I know I didn't really tell anybody I was coming back to streaming, but I will probably be on tomorrow, but probably not Tuesday. I'm probably gonna do the review stuff tomorrow, and then Tuesday I'm gonna really focus down and get my this mini project done, because yeah, that's oh my I'm ending. Okay, okay, okay. I have to go raid somebody now. I have to go raid somebody now. Wait. I'm ending, so we'll do a raid train. Okay, but also thanks for subbing. I appreciate it. Welcome in, raiders. No problem. Oh, easy peasy. Or actually, hold on. Do we want to raid Erend or do we want to raid Howling? Okay. Howling? Okay, okay, okay. Wait. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my gosh. Icicle, thank you so much for subbing for 6 months in pre-sub. She needs to touch grass. I appreciate it. I appreciate it so much. Okay, okay, okay. We're gonna it was just too, don't worry. Either way, I appreciate it. So, okay. Raid. And then raid. I don't remember how followers. Right? Is that oh I don't think okay. Follower. Streamlabs, my Cloudbot's not working. Okay, if you're a follower, just spam emotes. If you're a sub, spam bats. Okay, I appreciate you all. Have a good night. I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully earlier. Hopefully we get Baby Bunny to sleep earlier. But yeah, you guys are amazing. And we'll talk about doing a fundraising stream for my ice rink. And then if we hit the goal, I'll cut my hair on stream again. This time, mental breakdown not included. But yeah, I appreciate you guys all so much. Thank you. Bye. Oh wait, that's the BRB. Okay, bye.